Welcome to Science Store online classes.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
My dear students, welcome to Chemistry Online class. Today we are going to discuss about alkynes, a new topic. Alkynes is actually organic compound which contains carbon-carbon triple bond is called alkynes. Organic compound contains carbon-carbon triple bond is called alkynes, my dear students. CnH2n minus 2. Cn general formula H2n minus 2. This is actually general formula of this particular. Okay, my dear students, in this one, in this alkynes, okay, general formula. Here, carbon-carbon, it contains triple bond. Here you can see 2 double bond and 1 single bond. Understood? 1 sigma bond, 2 pi bonds. 2 pi bonds, 1 sigma bond. Sp okay, next naming of this one, molecular formula, tribal name and molecular formula and tribal name and IUPAC name. Molecular formula, tribal name and IUPAC name. Okay, my dear students, in this one, the first one is molecular formula is CH triple bond CH. Okay, that's actually first molecular formula. Is actually the tribal name is acetylene. And IUPAC name of this one is ethyne. Ethyne. Next one is another molecular formula is this one. The tribal name of this one. See from where you have to name this one. From here 1, 2, 3. Okay. Methyl acetylene. The tribal name is methyl IUPAC name of this one propyne. Next one is, my dear students, CS3, CS2, C triple bond, CH. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This actually, you have to now start numbering from this side 1, 2, 3 because triple bond you should get the beginning. This is called ethyl acetylene. This group is considered as ethyl group. This group is considered as methyl group. So, ethyl acetylene. What is the IUPAC name of this one actually? But1-ine. But because 4 carbon is there. In first position triple bond is there. So, the name end with ine, Y-N-E, ine, butene. Okay, my dear students, next naming is CH3, C triple bond, CH3. Okay, what's the tribal name of this one? Dimethyl acetylene. Dimethyl acetylene. 2 methyl group is attached. 1, 2. Dimethyl acetylene. Dimethyl acetylene. And this one, IPAC name of this one, my dear students, IPAC name of this particular is but, means here you can start from numbering from this side or this side, same actually, 1, 2, 3, 4. But 2-ine, but 2-ine, but 2-ine. Okay. Next is CH3, CH2, C1, 2, 3, 4, 3. Okay. This next compound, my dear students. Look at this. While putting H also, you should take care about this particular. Otherwise, means carbon having tetravalent. You start numbering from this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Is actually propyl acetylene. Propyl acetylene. The name of this compound is pent-1-ine because 5 carbon atom is there. In first position, 1-ine. That's actually naming of alkynes. Naming of alkynes. Please note down this. This is very important. Okay. My dear students, welcome to chemistry online classes. Today we are going to discuss about preparation of methods of preparation of alkynes. Okay, first preparation is from dihaloalkanes. From dihaloalkanes. From dihaloalkanes. My dear students, vicinal or geminal halides, vicinal or geminal halides react with the potassium hydroxide. Alcoholic potassium hydroxide. They undergo dehydrohalogenation to give alkynes. They undergo dehydrohalogenation. Dehydrohalogenation means, my dear students, removal of hydrogen and same time removal of halogen. Two things you are removing. Dehydrohalogenation, removal of hydrogen and removal of halogen. This process takes place actually. Okay. Note down, my dear students. And it gives alkynes. My dear students, example is 1,2-dibromopropane. Dibromo propane. It reacts with the potassium hydroxide. It reacts with the potassium hydroxide, and it gives, my dear students, here removal of this 2 bromide atom with this particular KBr. How it removes actually means, my dear students, KBr, it is actually, I will write here, my dear students, that part I will write here, CS3, no need of writing in your notebook, just for your knowledge I am writing here these things, because K plus OH minus, here 2K plus is there, 2KOH, that means 2K plus is there. So first I will show you K plus and OH minus, it looks like this, and it come and attack on this particular, for example, if it come and attack on one of the, okay, for example, I will show you, my dear students. So this I will write CS2, I will write like this, okay. OH minus, what happens, this will come and attack to this particular, this bond comes here, okay. OH minus from KOH, that gives electron and it attacks on H, this bond breaks and it come back to here, and this bond breaks, it comes out here, understood. This will go and attack to K plus, okay, K plus I will write here, K plus from potassium hydroxide, okay, that part is over. Here 2 molecules of KOH is there, one more K plus and OH minus is there, my dear students, K plus and OH minus. OH minus I will write here, K plus I will write here, my dear students. Why means, here this H, OH minus attack to this one and it come back to this one, and this will comes out and this will go and attack to this particular, okay, particular, and it gives actually CS3, CH, triple bond, CH2, okay. This is the reaction part, sorry, not CH2, sorry, here CH, this H is removed, okay, this H is taken out, and it gives KBr, 2 KBr is there, 2 KBr, here this is 1 KBr, this is 1 KBr, 2 KBr and plus 2 H2O, 2 H2O, this is the product. Okay, this is actually alkyne. Which alkyne it is? Propyne. Name of this compound is propyne. Okay. My dear students, once again I will explain the same term. Here 1,2-dibromopropane. 1,2-dibromopropane. From this 2 bromide is removed. How we remove this 2 bromide means K plus and OH minus. K plus and OH minus. From this OH minus, this will go and attack to this particular. OH minus, this will attack to this particular, and this bond comes out. This bond comes out. Understood? After that again the process will take place, means OH minus will attack to this one of the hydrogen atom. This is shown here actually. OH minus attack to one of the hydrogen atom. This bond comes back here and this is removed out, and this will go and attack to K plus. This one side is over, KBr and H2O. Another side again OH minus come and attack to one of the H, and this is removed, okay, and this bond comes back, and this is removed, this is comes out, and it is attacks to K plus, and it is gives actually 2 KBr, 2 H2O, CH3, triple bond, CH. This is about methods of preparation of alkynes. My dear students, please note down. From dihaloalkenes. Here heating is required, my dear students. My dear students, next method of preparation of alkynes. Alkynes from haloalkenes, tetrahaloalkenes. Tetra means 4 halogen. Tetrahaloalkenes. Alkenes from tetrahaloalkenes. My dear students, in this one mainly we are using, for example, CH, bromide, 1, 2, 3. This is actually 1, 1. This is first carbon, this is second carbon, or you can mark this one is first, this one is second. 1, 1, 2, 2. Tetrabromo means here in 1, 1 in first position 2, this one is there, bromine. Here 1, 1, 2, 2. Understood? Tetrabromo ethane. Here 2 carbon atom is there, tetrabromoethane. This is called tetrabromoethane. Okay, my dear students, when it reacts with the zinc on heating, it gives actually these 4. See, 1 zinc can combine with the remove 2 bromine. That means zinc 2 plus bromide minus, this will give zinc bromide. Understood? So here 2 zinc is there, 2 zinc means it is 2 zinc bromide will form. Understood? At the same time this bond comes back here, it gives actually CH triple bond CH is actually product, acetylene. And zinc bromide is the product. Next, preparation from calcium carbide. Okay, my dear students, calcium carbide. Okay, calcium carbide. What is calcium carbide formula, my dear students? CaC2 is a calcium carbide. Calcium carbide reacts with the water and it gives, my dear students, CH triple bond CH plus calcium hydroxide. So we prepared acetylene. This is important for 2 marks, my dear students. Okay, please note down. Sometimes the same thing you can write like this also, C2H2. Okay, this is correct, acetylene. Okay, same thing, acetylene, C2H2. Okay, please note down. My dear students, physical properties of alkynes. Please note down, this is not that much important. Please note down. First 3 members of, first 3 members means if only 3 carbon is there, 3 carbon, propyne, they are gases. Next 8 are liquids, 8 carbon, till 8 carbon, next 3 to 8 are liquids and higher members are solid, My dear students, next is alkynes are generally insoluble. Alkynes are generally insoluble in water but soluble in organic solvent like CCl4, benzene. Okay. And as the molecular mass increases, melting point and boiling point increases. Just note down, my dear students.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.